So Smith AI is impacting the world in a number of ways, which I think is really cool. Our receptionists are actually using software and training chat bots and receptionist programs to allow them to better serve small businesses who are operating all over the world, but they're working from their home using the software. So they're able to actually train AI chatbots and technology to respond better and more accurately and give them better suggestions and responses. They're able to translate their messages in multiple languages, and they're also able to upskill without having to go back to school, but actually use skills required right now to be a modern receptionist, a modern responder for a small business using our technology. So that builds value for them, and it keeps their skills current in the current world. One of the other things that's amazing to me is that for small businesses, technology used to be so expensive and hard to implement and arduous. And now, because the cost has come down, competition has increased, we are able to offer technology to small businesses where there's a chatbot on their website, there's text answering that happens for them 24/7, 365, with no involvement of their own, just all of this outsourced and staffed and handled by artificial intelligence, so that this technology for as little as $70 or $100 a month actually can be responsive for your small business while you get the work done that you need to do and aren't distracted by interruptions and chores. So to me, that's really inspiring because small business owners have the least amount of technological resources available to them. They don't have a dedicated IT person on staff oftentimes, and they often have to DIY. So if the technology is easy to plug in and use, and you have a team behind the tech, like we do at Smith AI, who is programming things for you on your behalf, so it feels customized and personalized, but at a price you can afford and without hefty annual contracts, so it's month-to-month flexible, then we get to a point where small businesses are able to really compete for the technological requirements that modern consumers are used to and now require when they interact day to day with Amazon and eBay and Uber and Instacart. Those interactions that they have with big business inform their expectations for small businesses. And now what's really amazing is that because technology is affordable and accessible, we are not only able to give that to small businesses at a really great price and to get them started quickly, but also to allow the people behind these services who use our software to deliver the receptionist and the web chat service, that we can give them a great job that keeps their skills current in the modern age. So my personal story is maybe a little bit different. I came into tech through food. I had graduated with an economics degree, and then I went to culinary school in New York City. And through that program, I ended up getting connected to Food 52, which was an online food community at the time that Gourmet and Bon Appetit and Epicurious and all the big industry leaders for so long were sort of getting crowded out by the community-driven, user-generated content model that was percolating online with all these food bloggers. So I ended up getting involved with tech because this was a startup. They were using technology, advertising technology, e-commerce technology, and other tools for online forums that basically allowed them to connect individuals who love to cook across the globe and have recipe contests and really rich content. And from there, I ran audience development and a lot of programs that taught me the ways of doing business, basically interacting with everyone completely online. I worked from home, which was completely something that I never expected to be able to do. But that gave me a job at a startup that then brought me to California for a job for a mobile car repair company called Your Mechanic, which was extremely tech-enabled. And I ran growth there so that they could send mechanics to your home or office to fix your car, and we wanted to make the public aware of that service that was available. So to me, working as a marketing professional, as a business development professional in organic search and paid search, to leverage the most modern tools and to work with the savviest engineering teams to get more out of the content that I was creating and the partnerships that I was developing. To me, that was such a powerful experience to show that there is a great input, which is content, And the way that it is displayed and the way that it is output is so much now a collaboration between the creators and the infrastructure developers, and then the partners that you're able to connect with across the globe to build business now. And that goes way beyond startups. It actually comes right back down to home with Smith AI, because we have receptionists who are working from home, delivering receptionist services, answering website chats for small businesses. And I think that it comes full circle when you think something as basic as food is what brought me into this like tech industry and startups. And then here we are coming back to the traditional small business, the law firm, the financial planner, the marketing agency, the accountant, who has the ability to leverage technology, but at the very basic level, giving people a job, the flexibility to work from home, and supporting the small business owners, which are about as traditional as it gets. So to me, that blend of IT and tradition is what is really compelling and is my personal story for the way that I got introduced to tech.